This is a fluorescent UV light flashlight. This is a fluorescent UV light powder. And you can see how much it brightens up. And what we're going to do is spray this everywhere. We're going to spray this, use these to spray everything across the entire room. And this is a ultraviolet tracking powder. So what we're going to do is use this to just puff a little bit here and there on everything. My hand already has some from earlier, but look what happens and how much gets stuck. So we're going to demonstrate their ability to stay sterile and stay clean. Aseptic non-touch technique. So we're going to spray the packaging of everything that they're going to use for these procedures. As you can see, there's a lot of, it's quite dirty, and the ultraviolet light will catch it. Now, we're going to use this to teach, are you maintaining aseptic non-touch technique properly? We're gonna find out. Let's see if I can do it. So how are we going to measure contamination? Here is the patient's vein. Let's make sure there's no contamination. With a black piece of paper, we're going to draw in a clean area away from everything. We're going to have the nurses pretend to target for here. This is my poorly drawn hand, and we're going to ask them to insert there. That's going to be where they access the vein on that X. Now, if there aren't any volunteers that can draw really well, I would like better hand, but we'll have to deal with what I got. So we're going to have them open their sterile items. And you can see that it's fairly clean. There's no contaminants. Okay, compared to around here, you can see the table's contaminated. And you can see that the packaging is contaminated, but the inside contents are not. The same thing here. So we're going to open this, package carefully. Now let's see what they've contaminated. This is going to demonstrate and show them not only are they contaminating the hub, but look at all the pieces that they were contaminating at the lure lock hub. So we'll be able to show them, hey, you're contaminating this point when you touched it, so you have to be careful. So anyways, so this will be the fun one. We're gonna test them without them knowing, and then we're gonna give them a chance to do it better. So if they contaminated the insertion site, then we'll give them an opportunity to do it again and be a little bit more careful. This is to demonstrate how invasive and how pervasive the bacteria is when we are not paying attention. So this will be a great reminder of cleanliness during the procedures.